Introducing the Volvo EX30, a new addition to the expanding lineup of electric vehicles from the renowned automaker. This compact SUV combines sophisticated design with cutting-edge technology, marking a significant step in Volvo's commitment to sustainable and high-performance electric vehicles. Available in both single and dual motor versions, the EX30 offers diverse driving experiences. The single-motor variant boasts a 268 HP rear-wheel drive configuration, while the dual-motor version features a powerful 422 HP all-wheel drive setup, making it Volvo's fastest accelerating vehicle to date. Powering the EX30 is a common 64.0 kWh battery pack, ensuring consistent performance across both models. Volvo claims an impressive range of up to 275 miles per charge, enhancing the practicality and versatility of this electric SUV. The exterior of the EX30 showcases chic styling with attention-grabbing LED lighting elements, capturing the essence of modern design. Inside, passengers are treated to Volvo's renowned comfortable bucket seats, ensuring a pleasurable driving experience. In summary, the Volvo EX30 stands as a testament to the brand's dedication to electric mobility, offering a blend of style, performance, and sustainability in a compact SUV package. Whether opting for the single or dual-motor version, drivers can expect an exhilarating and eco-friendly driving experience with the EX30. 2025 brings an exciting addition to Volvo's lineup with the introduction of the EX30, a fresh nameplate signaling the company's commitment to next-generation electric vehicles, EVs. Following the X prefix reserved for these cutting-edge EVs, the EX30 is set to hit the market in the summer of 2024, expanding Volvo's array of electric SUVs alongside the already established X90. The single-motor extended range model is powered by a 268 HP electric motor mounted on the rear axle that's good for 253 pound-feet of torque. Volvo says accelerating to 60 mph should take roughly 5.1 seconds with that setup. The dual-motor performance model will offer thrill seekers the EV punch they're looking for. With a motor on each axle totaling 422 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, Volvo says the dual-motor model can launch to 60 mph in just 3.4 seconds. Diving into the key aspects of range, charging, and battery life for the Volvo EX30. Equipped with a 64.0 kWh battery pack, the EX30 showcases impressive range capabilities. In rear-wheel drive models, Volvo asserts a remarkable driving range of up to 275 miles per charge. Meanwhile, the all-wheel drive variants are estimated to cover 265 miles on a single charge. Charging the EX30 is both efficient and swift, especially with the convenience of a DC fast charging connection. The vehicle boasts a peak charging rate of 153 kWh, allowing for rapid charging. According to Volvo, the battery can be replenished from 10 to 80% in under half an hour when utilizing such a fast charging connection, highlighting the model's commitment to minimizing downtime and maximizing convenience for drivers.